In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Walmart MoneyCard. First, let's get started by logging into your account. Whether you're using the Walmart MoneyCard app or doing it online through moneycard.com, you'll want to begin by navigating to the login page. So pull out your device and head over to the app or type in moneycard.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Simply click on that. Now, it's time to enter your login details. Type in your username and password carefully. These are the credentials you set up when you first got your Walmart MoneyCard. If you happen to have trouble remembering them, most platforms provide an option to reset your password, but let's assume you have all that information at your fingertips today. After you've input your details, press the login button to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you will want to set up direct deposit. Look for the option that says Set up direct deposit and give it a tap. This is a convenient way to add money to your card, especially if you receive regular payments like your salary or pay from your employer, a real time saver. Direct deposit means that your money is automatically transferred from your employer or government payer to your money card, skipping the need for manual deposits. After selecting direct deposit, you can click on it to complete the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure everything is configured correctly. There may be some details required from your employer or payer, so having those ready beforehand is useful. Alternatively, if direct deposit isn't quite what you're looking for, no worries. You do have another option, adding money from a bank account. To do this, you'll need to link your external bank account. This involves providing information about your bank account, such as your account and routing numbers. Once these details are linked successfully, transferring money between your bank account and your Walmart MoneyCard becomes straightforward and convenient. And there you have it. Those are the basic steps to help you add funds to your Walmart MoneyCard. It's all about choosing the method that works best for your needs, whether that's direct deposit for continuous automatic transfers or linking your bank account for more manual control over your funds. Remember, keeping track of your transactions and balances is essential for managing your finances effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.